How by the water? Where you put the water?
Here. Water fuse here. Water.
Okay.
Yes. Then you using the water to cutting glass meat. Everything. Where are you from? Where are you?
UAE.
UAE. Okay. Do you have name card? I could send you more information later.
Yes.
What?
Here.
When the solution in the torch is gone, jet becomes longer
You have,
and voltage drops.
Yeah, catalog.
If
No,
you did
catalog,
not
I
turn
need-
off the torch
DVD?
and the solution is gone, the
No,
torch
I need
will
the website.
automatically
You
switch
have
off
website.
and
Here,
overheat
here.
indicator will illuminate.
Website
To
here.
refuel,
Okay.
turn off the
How about
torch
this
by
card?
pressing
Same?
the
Yeah,
off
the
button
same, the
on the
same.
power unit. Cool the torch. As soon as the torch has stopped heating, remove the torch to avoid taking in water. If you forget to remove the torch immediately and it has taken in water, start torch and evaporate
You want it to
solution
be
in
dealer
wrong
or
proportion
buy
in
for
mode
your
1
factory?
position 6 until automatic switch off.
I know. I mean for reseller, right? Sell for sale.
And before
It's a very
working
good
each
product
time,
to
fill the
resell.
torch